I'm here with head tennis coach Eric Burns. And Eric, you opened the season this weekend in Toledo. Talk a little bit about the Toledo Invitational.
Well, this will be the first year we've played at this Toledo Invite, and it's 4 teams. It's a hidden duel format, which is a little bit different than some of the other tournaments we play in because you kind of set a lineup for each round, and you're playing more head-to-head with that school. So like round one, we might play Toledo in the singles, and then turn around and play Duquesne in the doubles the next round. And so it gives you a chance to kind of see your team more in a team format type match. That being said, you're still competing in your bracket. Like if you're 3 singles, you're still competing against all the other 3 singles in a round robin type format, and then they crown a champion at each flight. We're really excited. It's Toledo, us, Duquesne, and Detroit. All 4 teams good. Toledo, Duquesne, and Detroit. We'll see at a couple other invites, but all really good programs. So we're going to have to be on our playing our best to have some success.
Now, what are your expectations for the Mastodons this weekend at the Invitational?
Well, we've got a lot of inexperience because we've got 3 starters coming back from last year's team, but we've got 2 new freshmen coming in that never played college tennis, and we've got 2 other players in Carlota Trevino who sat out last year, and Sonia Surkinta that she didn't get to play much last year. So they're kind of coming into this as freshmen as well, or I view them a little bit as freshmen in experience. So we're looking to get them get their feet wet a little bit, get them some matches, and just try to work on seeing improvement every match.
Now, this being the first match of the long season, both fall and spring, what do you want to see from the team between, from now through, April?
We just want to see improvement in their consistency on the court, and we really want to work hard on our doubles and trying to establish doubles teams and get ourselves ready heading into the fall so we can continue to make improvements in the off season. And then January rolls around, we kind of have a plan, and everyone's used to everything and not nervous any longer. And I think the first couple of tournaments, especially for the new people, they're going to be a little nervous, and the fall season gives us a chance to kind of work that out and get everyone used to playing college tennis. And hopefully January rolls around, they're feeling good. They're feeling more like sophomores or juniors.